Friends, now in normality I want to explain the two problems, that is calculation of gram equivalent. Here we have to find out the number of gram equivalent present in 50 gram 3 grams of sodium hydroxide. Next, gram equivalent is equal to formula mass by equivalent mass. Mass by mass of that one into equivalent mass. This is 53 grams, means equivalent mass is equal to molar mass by n factor or x factor. For this sodium salt, it is x factor is 2. Molar mass is 23, carbon 12, oxygen 16. Total is 106. This is 106 by x factor is 2, that is 53. That is equivalent mass is 53. This is equal to 1. Number of gram equivalent is 1 in this case. Next we have to find out the number of gram equivalent present in 3 moles of H2SO4. Next, number of gram equivalent, we know mass by equivalent mass. Mass by equivalent mass is equal to molecular weight by x factor. Mass by molecular weight means that is into x factor, that is number of moles into x factor. This you know, number of gram equivalent is equal to number of moles into, this is very very important, number of moles into x factor. This you have to remember, very very important. Number of gram equivalent to number of moles into x factor. Number of moles how much? 3. Here x factor is for H2SO4 2, because sulfuric acid is base is 2. Total 6. Number of gram equivalents is 6. Similarly here H3PO4 reacts with sodium hydroxide, means 1 mole reacts with, in case of moles 3 moles, they will form sodium phosphate plus H2O. In this case x factor, number of gram equivalent you have to find out. Number of moles into x factor is 3. This is equal to 3 gram equivalent. Here 3 into number of moles 3 into how much x factor is 1, means 3 gram equivalent. That's why equivalent concept, here moles is different but equivalence is same. That's why the gram equivalent or normality concept comes due to this only. Equal number of gram equivalents of H3PO4, equal number of 3 gram equivalent of sodium hydroxide will form Na3PO4. Here moles is different, but in case of gram equivalence it is equal. That's why this equivalent concept will come based on this one. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.